2 more petitions have also been successfully filed at the Supreme Court, challenging the declaration of William Ruto as the winner of the presidential election on the 9th of August 2022. One petition has been filed by John Njoroge Kamau, with the other submitted by 4 activists, namely Khelef Khalifa, George Osewe, Ruth Mumbi, and Grace Kamau, both parties basing their petitions on different grounds. Both petitioners have listed the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, the IEBC Chairperson, Kenya Kwanza presidential candidate William Ruto as respondents.
A few hours to the deadline for submissions of petitions rejecting the August 9th presidential results, John Njoroge Kamau, a Kenyan registered voter, made his way to the Supreme Court, now sitting at the Milimani High Court, to file a petition challenging the victory of William Ruto as president-elect. In his petition, Kamau is seeking the court to declare that the constitutional mandate for tallying and verifying election results received from the polling stations by the National Tallying Center has to be undertaken by all IEBC commissioners and not by the chairperson alone. Declare that the recent presidential election was not conducted in accordance with the constitution, hence rendering the results invalid, null and void. A declaration that Kenya Kwanza presidential candidate William Ruto and his running mate Rigathi Gachagua were not validly declared as winners. Kamau is also seeking an order directing the IEBC to organize and conduct a fresh presidential election. He is also seeking a declaration that Chebukati committed election irregularities and should be investigated for possible criminal culpability. Kamau's petition came shortly before activists Khelef Khalifa, George Osewe, Ruth Mumbi, and Grace Kamau also submitted a physical copy of yet another petition, also disputing the presidential results with similar grounds, save for a declaration that a forensic audit of the electoral technology deployed in the election be conducted. They also want the commission to avail all the material, including electronic documents, devices, and equipment, within 48 hours upon filing of the petition.
IEBC is a body corporate established with commissioners determined by law to be 7. If the commission as a body corporate has been unable to confirm, verify and tally the results of an election, can an individual member of that commission come up and say, these are my results? Those are some of the questions that we want the Supreme Court of Kenya to answer. You will note that in the KPMG report of 2017 and 2022, they actually did confirm that there were what you are calling unauthorized users who had access to IEBC, and their condemnation was that that system was vulnerable and had been compromised. Can we then, as a country, rely on a process to give us a winner of an election that an independent audit has demonstrated was compromised in the conduct of the elections?
The 2 petitioners are expected to serve the respondents within 24 hours upon filing. Kamchemenza for Prime Edition.